what's going on YouTube? It's Supreme Guru here and I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to be looking at the iPhone 10 and I'm just going to be going through a basic function of turning the phone on and off. I know this may sound very basic to you, but if you've never owned an iPhone 10 before, then it's not your usual way to turn the phone on and off. So basically all you have to do is, if you hold in the Siri button, which is the button on the right hand side, along with either the volume up or the volume down button, it will prompt you to, as you can see here, slide power off. Now if I do that with the volume down button, it does the exact same thing. So all you have to do is slide it across and that will switch your phone off. And if you want to switch it back on again, you only need to hit the Siri button, which is on the right hand side. So we'll just hold that in. And there, it's switching back on again. So like I said, I know this is a very basic video, but if you found it helpful in any way, if you weren't too sure on how to turn your phone on and off, then give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Until next time guys, you have been watching Supreme Guru. Peace.